Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. In this lesson we are going to continue to help you improve your American English pronunciation by focusing on the vowel sounds. If you really want to improve your pronunciation overall, learning how to pronounce the vowel sounds properly is a great place to start. All words have vowel sounds. So as you improve your pronunciation of those vowel sounds, you will begin to sound like a native speaker. Let's get started. First, let's review what we've learned in the two previous lessons. So in the first lesson, we focused on the short A, which is represented by this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. And this symbol represents the sound eh, eh, eh. So if you know that sound, then you can pronounce these words. Bat, cat, hat, rat, sat, have. Remember, eh. The next lesson was over short E, which is represented by this symbol in the IPA. So when you see this, it represents the sound eh, eh, eh. If you know that, then you can pronounce the words bed, read, fed, yes. Remember, eh. If you haven't seen the videos for these two lessons, you can find them on our channel homepage. So now let's learn the short I. So listen to the sound. E, 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 E. The sound E is represented by this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. So when you see this symbol, it represents the sound E, 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 E. If you can produce that sound, then you will pronounce American English much better. So we have two symbols in the IPA. So we have the E, and this one represents the sound T, 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 just like it does in English. In the English alphabet, this represents the sound T also. But this is the IPA here. These are both IPA symbols. So let's put it together. I, t, I, t, I, t. Which word are we pronouncing? The word it in English. It. It. English, it. IPA, it. 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 Let's try another word. So remember I. Now this is English. So if I know that this sound is I, then it's sit, sit, sit. English, sit, IPA, sit, sit, sit. Next word, it, it. Hit, hit, English, hit, IPA, hit, hit, hit. Next word, it, bit, bit. English word bit, IPA, bit, bit, bit. Next word, k, k, kid, kid. English, kid, IPA, kid, kid, kid. Let's look at some of these words in sentences. Have you seen my key? So maybe I lost my key. I'm looking for it. You can say, yes, I saw it on the table. I saw it. It. I saw it on the table. I saw it on the table. Next example, the word sit. So sit. I need to sit down. I need to sit down. I need to sit down. Next example is the word hit. Remember hit, hit. In baseball, you have to hit the ball with the bat. Hit. In baseball, you have to hit the ball with the bat. Next example, he bit the apple. Remember, bit. He bit the apple. He bit the apple. Next example, remember the sound so kid, kid. He's just a kid. He's just a kid. Kid. Okay, so we add our short I to the list. So I. So remember Words with the short I, it, sit, hit, bit. Let's go ahead and practice more words. So these are all English words, and these are all written with the English alphabet. This is not the IPA, this is the English alphabet. But all of the vowels in all of these words are the short I. So remember if you can say then you can pronounce all of these words properly. For example, rid, lid, hid, bid, lip, clip, sip, rip, tip, nip, dip, big, wig, pig, lit, fit, pit, silk. Try repeating this several times and your pronunciation will begin to flow. Rid, lid, hid, bid, lip, clip, sip, rip, tip, nip, dip, big, wig, pig, lit, fit, pit, silk. Remember, E. So this is your new IPA symbol, E. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Have a great day.